Everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Wix to Tidio. Want live chat and AI chatbots on your Wix site? Tidio makes it as simple and easy. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect it, just by following these few simple steps. Now, the first thing you want to do is to create a Tidio account. You're going to go to tidio.com. Then you're going to sign up or log in with your account. You can click on sign in here, or you can start a free trial just like this. You can start for free by clicking on this option right here, and then you can log in like this, fill in your work email, your password, your website, etc. Or you can use Facebook to log in. Once you log in, you can add Tidio to Wix. You're going to open the Wix dashboard by going to wix.com, and then you're going to make sure to log in using your Google account or your Wix account. After that, in the left sidebar, we're going to scroll all the way down until you find the app section right here. Click on apps. Let's close this pop-up. We're going to click on apps. And here we're going to click on the app market. Then we're going to search for Tidio. Search for Tidio like this. Let's look for the Tidio live chat. As we can find it here. Let's look for Tidio live chat. Let's click on enter to find the results and see if it's still here. Apparently, we can't find Tidio right here. So when you find it and it's available in your country, you should be seeing it right here. After that, you're going to find the app and then you're going to click on add to site. After that, you're going to connect it to your account. You're going to log into Tidio when prompted and then choose your Wix website. After that, you can customize the chat by setting a chat widget position, customize colors and greetings, and enable AI chatbot if needed. And then in the end, you can publish your Wix site and set chat in incognito mode. And make sure to never install Tidio twice and test it on mobile and desktop. And also, the free plan has limited features. So if you want all the features, you have to pay for a premium plan. And that's it. Tidio is now live on your Wix site. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.